Hey everyone, it's Storm Tracking HQ here with another video. We have another flash flood warning video. So let's get into this. Flash flood warning has been issued for Houston, Texas, Panola, Texas, Panaview, Texas, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Your hazards are move immediately to higher ground, avoid walking or driving through flooded waters. Population is 1.3 million people. Schools, 330 schools are included, and 37 hospitals are included. Um, well, let's go over how much rainfall is falling in this. At 1:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the operator in automatic rain gauge indicated thunderstorm producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 to 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. The highest amounts have measured near, it doesn't mention here, but Piran Park. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automatic gauge. Impacts: flash flooding of small creeks, streams, unburdened areas, highways, streets, underpass, as well as poorly drainage in low-lying areas will be included in this. So let's go over your towns before give you everything you need to know and what to do. Houston, there it is. Panaview, the towns that we're mentioning here. South Houston, Texas. Um, Deer Park, Texas. Gannon Park, Texas. Geno City, Texas. And Belle Erie, Texas. So, if you are in this warning, please take precaution. Um, Make sure you don't drive through flooded roads. Make sure you turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded waters. And make sure if you see any flooded waters, report it to your local law enforcement or, of course, your local NWS office if you are maybe a spotter for that office, which is NWS Houston. So, yeah, that being said, this is Storm Tracking HQ signing out. And we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.